Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to redeem digital codes in your Amazon account, something such as an Amazon gift card, for instance, where you're going to redeem that. So you want to head on over to Amazon.com. I'll link their website right at the top of the video description. And then once you're logged into your Amazon account, go over and hover over where it says Account and Lists, and then click where it says Your Account. And then in the Your Account area, right towards the top, you should find where it says Gift Cards, View Balance, or Redeem a Card. And this is where we're going to redeem that digital code for the Amazon gift card. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can either click Redeem a Gift Card right here on the side, or you can click it over here right below where it says Your Gift Card Balance. Click where it says Redeem a Gift Card. And then enter in your digital claim code right here. It says, how do I find the claim code? And it says a gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. And then it gives an example right here. If you have a plastic gift card, you may need to gently scratch or peel off the protective coating on the back of the card to reveal the claim code. So then once you have that entered in right here, click on where it says apply to your balance, and then that should add in to your current gift card balance after you redeem that digital code. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about redeeming digital codes in your Amazon account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.